what are we going to create? Let's have a look. Here you have to create some structure like this. Make the mouth part in this manner and then the hairs around. Isn't it cool? You have to draw some wings like structure in this way and this is gonna look absolutely amazing. Isn't it cool? I hope you guys have enjoyed. Proceeding in this manner, let's see what are we going to create here. You have to get the eyebrows made and then this man. Further, let's have a look. What are we going to create? You have to make the tie as well and then make the hands around in this manner. Make the dress and this gentleman is gonna look amazing and handsome. Proceeding in this manner, let's see what are we up to. You have to draw the cartoon structure in this manner. Let's see what are we going to create. You have to make these beautiful, lovely, adorable eyes. Further here you have to make the beautiful hands as well. And further, let's see what are we going to create. You have to make a beautiful dress in this manner. Make this beautiful little mermaid and this is gonna look absolutely beautiful and cute. Make the crown on the top and this is gonna look absolutely amazing.